everyone, this is Gloria Giraldo again in collaboration with my partner Chefs Are In. Today we're gonna make pizzas. The first one is going to be a vegetarian pizza, and we're gonna use seitan as our protein source. And the second one is going to be a vegan pizza margarita. Let's get started. I'm gonna let you know the ingredients at the same time I'm making the pizzas. Las personas que hablan español pueden encontrar los ingredientes y la receta completa en la descripción abajo del video. ¡Empecemos! To make the dough pizza, we're gonna need 14 grains of baking yeast, 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of warm water, some olive oil, and maybe we're gonna need a little more flour. The ingredients for pomodoro sauce will be olive oil as you wish, some pinch of sugar, rosemary as you wish. This is English sauce, a little bit of English sauce. This is aceto balsamic, a little bit. 8 cloves of garlic, salt as you wish, 8 sliced tomatoes, and basil as much as you like. Okay, in medium temperature, I'm gonna add the oil, the tomatoes, the garlic, some rosemary, as you wish, the basil, we're gonna add the aceto balsamic. This is around 1 big spoon. The salt, pinch of sugar, not too much. And the English sauce, some English sauce. And we're gonna leave all these 40 minutes in medium temperature. After 40 minutes, we're gonna blend everything. And sauce is going to be ready. These are the ingredients for the pizza number 1 we're gonna make. It's like the vegetarian pizza. We're gonna put on top mozzarella cheese, mushrooms, seitan, and peach in slices. Okay, we're gonna cut the dough into equal parts for both pizzas. So only cut it like this. and we're gonna have 2 parts. Okay, now we're gonna make 1 pizza. When the dough is on the pizza pan, we're gonna add the sauce. And everything else. You can make your pizza the way you want. We're gonna add the cheese. As much cheese as you want. We're gonna put some seitan. Some mushrooms. And some peach. Now we have the second pizza. It's gonna be the vegan pizza, vegan margarita pizza, and we're gonna use vegan cheese, of course. It is plenty of them on the market, so you can check the one of your preference. Smells good in here. Almost ready. The pizza is ready, so we like to add some oregano. It's optional.
Jose Fuentes here. I just wanted to let you know you can make your own pizza like we do. There is a difference always when you make your pizza. It's amazing what you could do. You can choose your toppings. We decided to do the margarita pizza. We decided to do the vegetarian and fruity pizza with the peaches here. But you can control everything you want. You can control the amount of sodium. You can control the amount of cheese. You can control everything. The goodies that you want to put on your pizza. It tastes delicious. And again, one of the biggest problems is the sodium that people normally ingest in their diet. So this is a great way to do the pizza. Follow the recipe. Let's try it. So I'm gonna start with the vegan pizza. Delicious. And now we're gonna do the vegetarian pizza. This is awesome. I have the best cook in the world. How lucky I am. I'm the luckiest man in the world. The best of both worlds. That is one of the reasons what I go back and forth. Both are great. I love them. It's your choice what you want to put on. Follow the recipe. Thank you so much.